And so it appears Major League Baseball's Texas Rangers ownership group and the city of Arlington, Texas will partner in building a new domed air-conditioned ballpark, with local residents picking up probably more than $500 million worth of construction costs if they say yes to a stadium referendum in November. Arlington has been down this road before. In 1990, the Rangers ownership group, which included George W. Bush, went to Arlington Mayor Richard Green and said a new stadium was needed, or the team would move possibly to St. Petersburg, Florida. Arlington residents eventually passed a referendum that raised the local sales tax by 0.5% to fund up to 70% of the cost of the stadium. The stadium opened in 1994, and the owners also got control of 270 acres of land surrounding the stadium. The city of Arlington used eminent domain to obtain 13 acres needed for the stadium. The landowners got $817,220 for the parcel. They sued because they felt the land was worth far more. They won the case, and the city of Arlington was on the hook for an additional $4 million. The Rangers' lease expires in 2023, but it appears that the stadium will be gone by then. One reason for the demise is that the stadium has no roof, and the Texas heat is keeping folks away. Arlington may have money for this new venture because the city thinks the municipal investment in the Dallas Cowboys facility could be paid off through local taxes by 2021, and that would make borrowing easier for the Rangers' new ballpark, since Arlington could have a decent credit rating. The Rangers ballpark is the 11th oldest in Major League Baseball at the ripe old age of 22, which is an old age in sports venues. I'm Evan Weiner for the Politics of Sports Business.